Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today, I'm super excited to share with you the highly anticipated unboxing of the Sparx White Sneakers. These sneakers have created quite a buzz in the market and I'm sure you're all curious to know if they are worth your money. So, let's dive right into the unboxing and see what's inside the box. First things first, the packaging is sleek and minimalistic with the brand name embossed on the top in a glossy finish that adds a touch of elegance. As I open the box, I'm greeted with the pristine white sneakers that are neatly packed and wrapped with tissue paper, ensuring that they remain scratch-free during delivery. Upon taking a closer look, I noticed the fine detailing on the sneakers, the logo stamped on the tongue, the soft padding around the ankles, and the breathable mesh on the sides. The overall design is minimalistic and trendy, making it perfect for any occasion, be it a casual day out with friends or a workout session at the gym. As I put them on, I can feel the comfort and support that they provide to my feet. Overall, I'm very pleased with my purchase and I highly recommend these sneakers to anyone who is in the market for a trendy and comfortable pair of shoes.